Growing up, the only ice cream we had in our freezer was Neapolitan ice cream. I loved it. It's so nostalgic. It's those 3 flavours that you would get all at once, which was quite exciting. So the strawberry, vanilla and chocolate. Now I'm going to make it from scratch for you today, but there is no refined sugar in this, a healthy Neapolitan ice cream, and it really works. The kids absolutely love it. Instead of refined sugar, I'm going to be using honey and the natural sweetness from all the fruit that we're adding. So the main ingredient in here, or the base of this ice cream, is frozen bananas. You'll need about 700 grams of bananas for a 2-litre tin. So we'll start with the vanilla flavour, which is actually vanilla and banana. We'll add some frozen banana. To this, we're going to add a good amount of vanilla bean paste, about a teaspoon, a generous teaspoon. We really want to taste the vanilla in this. Some yoghurt to make it extra creamy. This is just Greek style yoghurt, about half a cup. And a small amount of the honey. Because the bananas are quite sweet, you don't need that much honey. We're going to reserve that for the strawberries in a moment. And it's essential to have a really good quality food processor for this, because this is going to whip it and blend it until it's really fluffy, almost like a churned ice cream. All right, lid goes on, and I'm going to let the food processor do all the work. Oh, look how perfect this is. I mean, this is delicious as is. Of course, it's going to be even more delicious with 3 other flavours. So carefully take our super sharp blade out. You can see it's got 2 blades, and that's why we get this beautiful churned ice cream. We will use that again, so don't worry about washing it up. Just pop that to the side. And we're going to add our first layer. Now, the white layer usually goes in the middle, so we're just going to pop that in there. And you can pop this into the freezer while you do the next layer. I'm going to be quick so it can stay there. For our chocolate layer, same kind of version here. We're going to pop our blade back in. Some more of the bananas can go in. And some cocoa powder. And again, we're going to repeat the process with a bit of honey. So that can go in. We're going to blend this until it's smooth, and then it can go right next to our banana and vanilla mixture. Flavour strawberry, so I've just got some extra bananas in there, some strawberries that I've sliced and also I've frozen them. They can go in. A little extra honey for this one. And half a cup of yoghurt. Lid goes on and we're going to blend. Last flavour goes right next to the banana and vanilla flavour. I like to cover it with a bit of cling film over the top just so it doesn't get too frosty, and then just freeze it for about 4 hours. Okay, the ice cream has set nicely. Look at that. You would never tell the difference between this healthy one and the traditional one. And the best thing about this is you can eat more because it is that healthy. So I've just been warming up an ice cream scoop here. It just makes it so much easier to scoop out. And we'll get a nice big scoop of it. Oh, I just love how all of the flavours get mixed in together. Look how fantastic that looks. Healthy Neapolitan ice cream. It is such a great idea to do at home. As long as you've got a really good quality food processor, then you can make this anytime you like. And the best thing about it is you know what's in there. It's all full of natural ingredients, healthy, and most importantly, tasty.